The SS100 Gigant is a German heavy-wheeled tractor from the interwar period and World War II. The first civilian copies of the vehicle appeared in 1936-1937, and serial production continued with the brakes in the year 1937-1950. The vehicle was powered by a single 8.5-liter D85S engine with 100 horsepower. The SS100 Gigant was initially developed for the civilian market by Hanomag as a heavy tractor capable of hauling a load of up to 20 tons. However, its performance and capabilities quickly caught the attention of the German armed forces, which quickly acquired this type of vehicle. They were successfully used for the transport of very heavy loads as well as vehicles for towing Luftwaffe planes on runways. It was also the SS100 Gigant that was often used to transport V2 missiles. The demand for vehicles of this type was so great that during the war, their licensed production was started at the busing plant in Vienna. After the end of World War II, their production was started very quickly and continued until 1950, intended for the civilian market.